everyone. It's really neat painting out here this morning. It's a little bit overcast and damp. I just felt a few little drops on my head, but there's really nothing like painting outside and trying to capture that rock over there. You go to surf, splashing up against it. It's always a big challenge, but I think it's going to start to rain. But it's always so great to be outside. You see things totally different. And I just wanted to share this experience with everyone this morning. Oh, and also I decided to do the watercolor down this morning. So I just, put a clip on this, found a rock, and just set everything up here. Because after a while, carrying that French easel down, setting up, it's taking its toll.